Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the daily close for Bitcoin, and of course we start to see some nice signals for reversal here toward the upside. We saw a potential impulse unfolding where we saw here exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yes, finished impulse. We have a potential wave A, right? We're looking for a wave B and a C. Now, what is very nice here is that you got 3 waves after this move toward the upside here in 5 waves. You got 3 waves correction, and we're still, of course, correcting. So you are expecting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. The target might be for this correction around the 1-to-1 fib level as a regular flat here around the 92K810. So I'm expecting a wave B at least, unless this is also something bullish, right? Which it can be, of course, a 1-2, right? So it can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. But we're gonna, of course, estimate the things at the 1-to-1 fib level for a wave C. If in case this is a wave 2, you would like to see, of course, at least the 0.38. And that means, of course, if we dive a little bit deeper, that might be, it can be like a kind of indication that it is a 1-2. But we still need, of course, to continue something corrective here and not going really impulsive or something like this. But yeah, we're going to watch and see what's going to happen. Those are basically the main scenarios. We're going to see what's going to happen, of course, within this correction. Maybe it's going to be a little bit deeper later on. And then moving for a wave 3. We're going to test the 1-to-1 fib level, of course, for this scenario as, of course, ABC here, and we'll see. Now, on the indicators as well, we start to see that the MACD is moving in bullish cross here. Momentum is increasing somehow. RSI also breaking the center line, which is good as well, and still looking for higher. 4 hours chart as well. We see a bullish cross from the low here, and we see a momentum building up here for higher prices. Plus, the most important one is the daily. After, of course, several touch here, we see, of course, the daily start to show potentially a retracement toward the upside, or probably movement that it might sustain till the overbought again. Nobody knows, but also the momentum here is, of course, high. But I believe that this is the lowest that the MACD and the signal line can get so far on the daily, and of course it can start to create something toward the upside. So the indicators as well show something interesting for higher prices. And if we take a look finally at the KGT, on the KGT we can see, of course, a potential bullish signals here moving toward the upside, and we start to see as well again some pressure from the selling here one more time. We're still in conversions, but yeah, we'll see if the impulse toward the upside is going to sustain. But, you know, as per Elliott Wave, we need a correction right now. But if it's going to sustain and move and move higher and take this price here, that might be, of course, a good signal as well for more bullish prices here, that it might unfold. As well, on the 3-minute chart, we see as well a strong convergence here. So if we see very early signal, that is not really perfect, guys, because of course an early signal here so far directly after the move, and we see this compression from the top. Well, it's not perfect, so that means, of course, we gotta be careful. Nothing yet is confirmed that we are looking for something really bullish. It can be, even be careful, it can be already finished a corrective wave. We might drop down, but what is important here, I mean, it is a lower time frame. So much the micro, you cannot so much trust it, but it looks like 3 ways for me. Yeah, so it looks like corrective. We might take one more high, or we might simply continue for higher, but we'll see, guys. Yep, so that was it for Bitcoin for the daily close. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.